Hello dear students and friends, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Engineering Made Simple. So dear boys, I have created three playlists, one for GATE, other for TSPSC Municipal examination which will be likely conducted, and this series is for AMV examination Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector for TSPSC as well as APPSC. Boys, please watch my channel, watch videos and improve your subject. So let us jump into the another 10 set of very important questions from the examination point of view of AMVI, Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector. Okay. So a carburetor, an important element of a fuel supply system, keeps. So see the words, they are very good and very confusing also. So this is basically a small reservoir of fuel at constant head. So the words are large and small and constant and variable head. So your answer is B. Next, the most widely used fuel supply system out of the following for car engines. So normally car engine is SI engine, but nowadays SI and CA, that is what you call petrol and diesel cars are also coming. So assuming that it is SI engine or petrol engine, so what is the most widely fuel supply system? Here the most widely used fuel supply system for cars is the pump system. So your answer is pump system, D. Next question. So I have discussed in the other bits where the pressure system is used, where the vacuum system is used, and where the gravity system is used. So please watch all my videos. Next question. The approximate pump pressure is in kilonewton per meter square, that is kilopascals. So pump is used in automobiles. So what is the approximate pressure in the pump? So it is 30 kilopascals. So your answer is 30. Next question. Right. So in which of the running conditions of the engine the choke is normally closed? So the choke is closed when the engine is cold. So here the answer is when the engine is closed, when the engine is cold. All right. So let us mark the answer. Yes, that's B. So why a choke is used? It is used for starting the engine from the cold condition, for example in winter, right? So the answer is B, when the engine is cold. Next question. Small holes are provided in the pump body of IC engines. They serve the purpose of. So see the bits how confusing they are: oil, fuel, water and air. So here your answer is air. So they are used basically, small holes are provided in the pump body of the IC engines, though they serve the purpose of venting out the air, neither the fuel nor oil nor water, because but all are closely related with the IC engine. Yes or no? Fuel, oil and water. So your actual answer is D. Next question. A venturi is provided in the carburetors of IC engines. The chief aim, what is the main purpose of a venturi? So if you see the carburetor, it is something like your you know about venturi, right? In fluid mechanics, you must have studied about venturi meter. So it will be having converging section, throat and diverging section, right? So similarly, there is venturi in carburetor systems also, right, in SI engines. So what is the main aim of this? This is basically to accelerate the airflow. Your answer is the accelerate the airflow. The answer is D. So both fuel and air are mixed in a carburetor and they will be supplied to the engine. Yes or no? The main purpose of a carburetor is only that thorough mixing of air and fuel in the proper mixing ratio. So it is going to supply rich mixture and lean mixture and also chemically correct air fuel ratio or stoichiometric air fuel ratio. Stoichiometric is 14.5:1. Anything more than this, for example 16:1, is the leaner mixture. Anything less than this, 13:1, is the richer mixture. So it is going to supply, the chief aim is to mainly accelerate the airflow. Once again let us put the answer. So yes. Next question. A single jet carburetor supplies A. So there are various types of carburetors are there. So please go through them. So please refer to the books. IC engines by V. Ganeshan for your examination, your assistant motor vehicle inspector, and also read the volume 1 and volume 2 by Kripal Singh, automobile engineering. So this is basically the exam on automobile engineering with mechanical syllabus. Okay, for automobile engineering, please read the volume 1 and volume 2 of Kripal Singh. These two books are very important to score very high marks. So, a single jet carburetor supplies basically linear mixture during high speed operation. This is basically it is going to linear mixture during high speed operation. Let us mark the answer B. Next, the carburetor in which the air fuel mixture is automatically controlled are called. So, they are called basically automatically controlled are called feedback carburetors. The answer is various types of carburetors are there. Feedback carburetors, updraft carburetors, automatic carburetors, downdraft carburetors. But here the answer is feedback carburetors. So, this is basically this is done with the help of a computer. Okay. So, this particular carburetor is known as feedback carburetor. So, you have to read about that means you have to have the knowledge of updraft, automatic and downdraft carburetors also. Then only you can mark the correct answer. So, concentrate on the other bits also like A, B, C, D and any matter, any content connected with them also you have to read that. That is how you can improve your subject. Right, next. Select the true statement about the quality of fuel air supplied to the engines, SI engines when idling cruising speeds. Idling is when the vehicle is started but at rest. Cruising is slowly it is gaining the speed, and acceleration is the condition where the velocity of the vehicle is increased. So, these are the three types of let us say states in which a vehicle will be. So, it will be the engine is on but at rest, and it is cruising slowly getting slowly starting from rest and getting speed, and accelerated means its velocity is increasing at a rapid rate. Okay. So, these are the three conditions. So, during idling and cruising what type of mixture and is used? So, this is your question. So, here the answer is at idling, that means when the vehicle is started, that is engine is on but at rest. At idling a richer mixture, air fuel mixture are required, while at cruising speed, that means when slowly your vehicle gets speed. Okay. Okay, there you need leaner air fuel mixtures are required. So, your answer is C. Your answer is C. Next, at cruising speeds for an SI engine, the ratio of A by F, air fuel ratio by volume is. So, as I said, cruising what type of mixture it requires? We have already talked about rich mixture, lean mixture and chemically correct air fuel mixture or stoichiometric air fuel mixture. So, he is asking at cruising speeds, that means when your vehicle is slowly getting speed. So, let us say you have come to first gear. Okay. So, acceleration means let us say third gear or fourth gear, right. So, for example, you are in the first gear, then what type of air fuel mixture is required, and what is the amount by volume? That means 60 parts air and 1 part fuel. So, 60:1, this is nothing but your very linear mixture. 14.5:1 is the chemically correct mixture. 16 is little more than chemically correct air fuel ratio. So, this is a little more leaner and very linear mixture, 60 parts air and 1 part volume, 1 part fuel by volume. So, at cruising speeds you need very lean mixture, 60:1. That is your answer. So, let us mark the answer 60:1. Okay, boys. So, we have discussed today also very important bits related to your assistant motor vehicle inspector. So, please, if you have not subscribed my channel, we are going to discuss, we are going to complete the entire syllabus. I am going to give very important questions from the examination point of view for your assistant motor vehicle inspector. We will be discussing many videos. I will be making many videos for your all examinations, APPSC, TSPSC. Please watch my channel, stay hooked to my channel, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe and spread among your friends, groups and contacts. Okay, share, like and comment. Wish you all the best for examinations.